Salutations YouTube and YouTube viewers. Today we're here with a new video, and I finally settled on the way that we're going to be doing the selection of what I will be drawing in my videos. And I'm going to be doing that live on camera so that you guys know how I'm doing it instead of just being like, oh, he's deciding for himself. So as you see, I have 7 categories, 52 options, 7 categories, things that I know of, and then a few things that I'm just barely getting into, whether it be a TV show, a cartoon, an anime, or a manga. So what I have here are a bunch of cut out pieces of cardboard Ooh, excuse me, that are going to decide what I do. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick from this bag. So this bag decides which color I pick. And if I end up with one color, I move all the others out the way or whatever. And, you know, these also have colors, and this one's the mystery stuff. Alright, so let's get into it. Shake it up. Not look, and then righty. So I got yellow. So now I've got yellow. I'm going to be looking for the yellow bag, which is this one. I'll put this back. Fill that up. Hide the rest so they're not in my way. Let me pick from this bag. So because I got yellow, that means I also pull out the yellow card. These others off to the side. And yep. And let's see what I get. We got option 6. So I go on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which would be the last one. No. Yeah. Some of these are actually flipped upside down. So, because I have 6, number 6 is Speed of Sound Sonic from the anime One Punch Man. Alrighty, we'll put this up and we'll get right into it. And just so you guys know, if I do end up with something twice, I'll either skip it for that video and then come back to it in the next one and draw the character in a different style. Not so much style, but in a different way. Or I'll, just skip it entirely and never do it. But yeah, let's get right into Speed of Sound Sonic. For this picture, I'm going to go ahead and open this pack of 5 posters. They are, you've seen these before. They're 11 by 14 inches. I bought them before, and they were supposed to be in another video. I'm not sure if it went up. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and take this red pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to sketch out the form. I'm also going to be looking at a reference off to the side, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later on. Okay, so like I said earlier, I was going to start from a basic sketch and then build my way up. So this is what I was working with. I was going to go for a foreshortening type thing because the type of character Speed of Sound Sonic is, he's always like kind of go at the guy. So I wanted to do something that was up and in your face, and that was dynamic, and that was going to be really fun to do. So here I have a bit of foreshortening going on with a fairly large head, because you have to imagine that his face is a little bit closer to yours, and then the rest of his body, as he brings his light up more, that's going to be larger. I was having a bit of problems with the cast down here, so you'll see me try to fix that as I go in with a bit of line work, and then a bit of line work on that to fix that's the thing about line work is once you do a rough sketch, you don't have to follow the specifics. You can modify as you go, as you see fit, and to make it look better, to make it more pleasing to the eye. And that's the main goal, is to make this hit more pleasing. So right now, I guess I could say I'm happy with where it's at in terms of artistic, choice. And I'll go in and fix the details, and the details really just gonna make this look good. That's all I can say. Things like shading are really gonna bring out his musculature. I'm really excited to do the armor pieces that are on his torso and on his shoulders, because they're really particular. They're like this staggering type of plate. And I've never once colored any form of armor, so we'll see if I can pull that off. I sure hope I can. It's mainly going to come down to the type of lighting I imagine he's in, which is going to be a kind of dimly lit one. And I gotta find the right way for that. I might have to run down to either Michael's or Hobby Lobby to pick up any proper Copic marker, I guess is what I would have to end up getting. Because that just makes more sense, because Crayola is going to stay one tone. You buy some cheap markers like Crazy Art or something, that's not going to work out. Or you buy any other cheap brand, it's sort of not going to work out a lot. So it seems like I have to go apply a Copic marker, and then that way I can lay along the gray the way I want, so it looks more metallic instead of just like a flat thing, and then like go in with white highlights to really show that this shiny on his armor, which doesn't make sense because Sonic is a ninja, right? So like you'd think he'd avoid any sort of reflective surfaces being on his armor, but it's anime. Anime's fun to watch. At least he has armor, period. Could just be running around armorless, which he basically is around the torso area, because it's just a V-shaped plate that comes down around here, and then he's got these weird little rings that wrap around his stomach. And it seems like an odd choice. Maybe the fabric he wears is like super tough. Maybe it's like a Nomex Kevlar thing. It's like, it's designed to take the damage, but yet be like super flexible, and then he just puts on these metal pieces for extra protection, and maybe they're like the weaker spots. I don't know. I'm hoping that I can pull off this hand. That's the one thing I worry about the most, is pulling off this hand, because I don't know if I've done this in a video yet. Pretty sure I have, and if you've seen it, you'll notice that I'm not really good at it, because I just never learned how to do those, and when I was growing up drawing, I never focused on doing hands. It was mainly the body and muscles in the torso and the abdomen, and the arms and legs. And I haven't even feet, so we have to get around to doing some sort of piece in which which it takes me, in which I'm basically forced to do those because I don't want to just stick to only being able to do one thing. It's complicated for me. It's ridiculous. I don't know why. Like in concept, they're super easy, but this doesn't make sense to me as to why I struggle so hard with it. But yeah, like I was saying, this is going to serve as a base, going down to guidelines for where the armor should be. That done. Let's hop into the next part. We'll hop into the next part will be the line art. And after line art, which, to be honest, most of the drawings overall probably mess up so bad because of the coloring. Not so much the line art, but the coloring. Your ink smudges. You can't get the colors to be what I want them to be. It's kind of frustrating. At the end of the day, it's art. You could just say the mistakes come on progresses, once it's changes, mistakes just have to be actions. Maybe I'll create it, and if it doesn't come out, I'll just put my own creative spin on it or something, Yeah. That's that. Let me curve that in more. Gives the armor look. This staggering armor thing is going to be really interesting. Once I get into actually drawing it. It's super fun. But yeah, that's it for the base. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get that marker. And when we get back to this, I'm gonna go in and do some detailing. Do the armor details and then drawing out some muscle lines where the muscles, those muscles would be flexing. So yeah, I'll do that, and then jump right into it. Okay, so I've got most of the details done. There's not much that this character wears. In fact, most he wears is like what I would assume to be a sort of X type soup. Like I mentioned it before, like, that it might be something really tougher, but there's no good way of knowing what it is that he wears. So there's not much other details. It's just the, I don't know what you call these. I know my town would call them like balding or something, but I'm not sure what you call these. But yeah, this I made them out of soup. So it was he made it himself. So the kids are exactly measured. Cutting out the section at which I draw in the leaves, which is where these blue areas are symbolized by. And in the meantime, I'll also be filling in, or possibly be filling in a little more trees to fill in some of this negative space. That, or I'm going to, when I go ahead and color it, I might go ahead and make it this dark green hue. But the problem with that is I don't have the proper markers to do so. I'll figure out something out. I might have to end up using color pencil on this piece, or with markers, which doesn't always look nice, but for the sake of the video,